So a lot of you are asking, should you get into Bitcoin? Should you get into crypto? Is it time to buy cryptocurrency? And a lot of you are making this huge mistake I want to address in this video today. And believe me, most of you are making this mistake. It's crucial, so make sure you pay attention because it's really important for you as an investor or trader. Now, what I'm not talking about is the psychology where most people get in when the price is too high or sell when it's too low. Well, we know all that. We know all that. You've listened to multiple videos on that. That's not what I'm talking about here. What I do want to talk about though is timing, and a lot of you are waiting for the right time to buy, and the way you do that is listen to crypto experts or crypto traders on YouTube or on Twitter. I mean, you may be listening to Crypto Banter or Carl to the Moon or Gareth Solway or anybody like that, and don't get me wrong, I'm not saying these people are bad at analysis or bad traders. On the contrary, Gareth Solway is a worldwide trader. But that's the issue right here. He's a trader, and most of you are not really traders. You're investors that are willing to trade. And while that may not sound important or much of a difference, it's a huge difference, which is what's keeping you and holding you back. Let me explain. So a lot of you right now are on the sidelines waiting to get in because you were listening to Richard Hart telling you that Bitcoin is going to go to 10K and pray, or Gareth Solway that Bitcoin is going to go to $8,000 to $12,000, while I called the bottom at 15.6K. Now, am I saying I'm better than them? No, I'm not saying. Just bear with me here because it's really important. Whether I was right or wrong about my prediction, which it turned out to be right, I won a few bets with Gareth Solway and others, that's not what I'm talking about here. What I'm talking about is you are on the sidelines and you're waiting to get in and you haven't got in yet, but you have to understand Gareth Solway, for example, I'm just not picking on Gareth Solway here, I'm just going to give you an example because I had him on and I have him on my channel a lot and I really respect him as a trader, is a trader. Meaning if his prediction is 8 to 10K, whether it goes down to 10K or not, he's still making money. See, what traders do, they'll buy at support and put a stop loss underneath, or they'll short a stock or trade or cryptocurrency and put a stop loss above. So whichever direction it goes, they are protected. So let me give you an example so you can understand what I mean. Let's say that Bitcoin's sitting at, I don't know, $18,000 right now. Which it's not, it's at 29, but I'm just saying $18,000 as an example. And let's say I was Gareth Solway and I'm projecting it to go down to 8 to 10K. I would take a short position here or wait to buy, but I would have a stop loss right above it if it breaks, let's say, $19,000. And if it breaks $19,000, it would stop me out. That way I wouldn't lose the trade. Then I would look at the next level of support, buy back higher. In this case, it makes sense because then it has more potential to the upside with a stop loss underneath. And you can do this with day trading, you can do this with swing trading. The problem is that you as individuals, in most part, you're investors. You just want to buy at a good price. But if you're waiting for 8 to 10K, what happens? Well, it's very simple. We're now at 29K and you haven't bought in, you're on the sidelines, and maybe you're regretting it, or maybe you're waiting for it to go to 10K and you're gonna miss the entire bull run. So where am I getting here? Where is my point? My point is this. If you are a day trader, which you're not, because if you were a day trader, you wouldn't have time to watch this video, you'd be trading, doing technical analysis. If you are a day trader, it's fine. You can listen to other people's opinions so you can verify your own. I mean, I do that all the time. I don't day trade anymore. I swing trade, which is a matter of a couple of weeks or months in between, but still applies. But if you are an investor or you want to invest in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, crypto, whatever, the best thing you could do is actually get in once the price drops a lot, or if you didn't get in right now. Hey, real quick, the video you are watching right now is sponsored by The Crypto Factor and Paul's Links. So under any video, if you click the description and you click more, you will actually find some amazing links that will give tremendous value to you. You will be able to check out our affiliate links, my books that I've written on cryptocurrency, my online course on how to profit from meme coins and more, a one-on-one coaching option so you can actually get on a call with me so I can answer your questions and tailor fit things in your situation, as well as being able to become a VIP Factor member today. You will also be able to see free webinars that will give you the advantage in cryptocurrency, will give you the advantage against your competition so you can make profits, as well as be able to see other useful links. And let's not forget, you can actually subscribe to the channel, support your channel, The Crypto Factor, so we can support you. It's win-win. Check out those links. Look, the probabilities are that we're going to go up from here. We hit the lows. I believe we're in a bull market. You should slowly start getting in. Operative word here, slowly. See, a lot of people never get into investments in general because they're always waiting for the right time, and then guess what happens? They just never get in. So maybe a better tactic is for you to use part of that investment. For example, if you were getting in with $10,000, for example, maybe get into $3,000, put $3,000 in cryptocurrency today. Put $1,000 in Bitcoin, $1,000 in Ethereum, and $1,000 in Solana or Link, for example. Then once you are in, you are focused and you pay more attention. Plus you don't have that FOMO, fear of missing out. You said you invested this money. If it goes down, that's okay. You can either buy more or wait. It doesn't really matter. Even if your portfolio falls 50% and it never claims all-time highs again, guess what you end up with? You end up with 50% of your money, which you would have spent somewhere else, got rid of, took your girlfriend shopping, bought something, I don't care, but basically you would have lost that money. At least this will introduce you to investing, and it will make you focus on the price and start reading more and educating yourself more, because once we are invested, it's a whole different story. Then you have another $7,000 to play with. You can DSA, that's dollar swing average. That's my own terminology whenever the price drops down to a certain point, but that's for another video. You can DCA, dollar cost average if you want, or just buy the dips since we are potentially or probably in a bull market here and the price should be going up. So you can play around. If you miss a Bitcoin pump, at least you have $3,000 or $1,000 in it. And what you can always do if it starts pumping too high, you can look at mid caps or low caps for more potential income. But the more you study, the more you will see this. You can watch this channel, you can watch other channels and educate yourself how that is. But stop staying on the sidelines because you will never enter. I have friends telling me, hey man, is it a good time to buy right now? Whenever it goes up and whenever it goes down, it's like, I don't know, man, I'm thinking about buying right now. They never did. That's since 2017, 2015, when I started talking about it with friends, they never got in. Even I got in 2017. I took 2 years to get in. Anyway, long story short, stop listening to crypto traders, crypto experts, unless you're day trading or learning how to trade, because basically not the same thing. For them, it doesn't really matter. They're always making money. Whether the price goes up, whether the price goes down, different story. You are a crypto investor, more than likely. If you're still watching this video, you are generally a crypto investor that maybe wants to swing trade now and then and take some profits. That's great. Maybe get in right now, whenever you're watching this video, unless your Uber driver, your mother, your auntie, everybody's talking about it, the price is really high, it's over 100K, it's probably the top, maybe you should wait a little bit for the dip. Anyway, check out this video right here, I think it's going to really help you, or check out this video here, subscribe down below if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.